What's up, guys? I don't know if this is really a shop update video or more of a promotion of what kind of bikes that I have for sale for this spring, but this is 2026 spring, I guess, shop update. Gonna walk around. I finally got my shop all cleaned up for the summer. So now it's time to start up a bunch of bikes and I'll show you guys what we're working on. So yeah, let's go ahead. We're gonna start by, I guess we should start walking around first before we get this place all smoky. So let me show you guys what we got going on here. So we got the setup over here. This is just the hangout sesh. Let's talk about some of the bikes that I'm actually going to be working on that for the start of this spring-summer. So if you come on over here, get a little closer up look. I have a customer's chow that we're working on. Rod, this is going to be done for you in the near future. We have my wife's FZ50 that we're working on as well. That's coming up this month. Right here is a 1980 Suzuki FA50. You guys have seen a bunch of stuff on this one. This bike I'm doing for my mom. If you swing on over this way, I have this swinger here. I think I want to refurbish it here this summer because a lot of people like these bikes. This one isn't the one for me. I kind of like the hardtail ones, even though orange is my favorite color. But we'll see what we do with this. This will probably be for sale at some point. The Yamaha QT50s, I got not one, but two of them. The gas tanks are currently being soaked in a solution because the interior was super bad. I bought like 6 bikes. You guys can check that video here. And they looked great, but the condition of them was surprisingly bad. Like every single one I had an issue starting. So kind of got scammed there a little bit, but it is what it is. Coming this way, this is my day job. You can just ignore that. I definitely want to get my Christmas maxi running again. I actually have the motor over there. I got a bunch of parts that I plan on putting on the motor and probably doing a little bit of a series on that. Try to tune it up a little bit. There's some potential bikes that I could work here. This guy here needs I believe a bearing. This guy here just needs tuned up really, but this is like a backup bike if I ever want to get something running and riding. It's got a 70cc kit on it. And then we have a couple of FA50s that came with those QT50s. Again, kind of got scammed there. I have some dirt peds. I have 2 Motopecan VLXs. If you want to get a close-up look at those. If anybody knows anything about tuning those guys up, I would love to DM somebody and talk to those because I think I do want to get those going. Just got AMF Roadmaster I need to part out. Not sure what I want to do with this Peugeot 103. Might get this Motopecan going here. This is one of my first bikes. I somehow inherited a free snowmobile, so I got to get this thing going. Let me move a couple of things here because all the good shiny stuff is behind it. Skates are amazing. Oh! So we'll start down the line here. Actually, check this out. Look at this beehive. I found this beehive last year and I kept it. Isn't that cool? Check that out. Cut out a little square in it so you can see what's going on. I believe so. This right here is just a standing project. I got to park this out. It was in an accident. You can see those forks are super bent up. This 2-speed automatic motor is actually in really nice shape. I might part it out, might sell it as a whole. If anybody's interested in any of this stuff that I'm telling you guys is for sale, DM me, comment down below. Let's chat. Let's make some deals here. I'm hungry. This is gonna be a good summer. So you guys have seen in the last like year or two, I was working on this Tomos Targa here. I think I want to get this running this spring or summer. This is going to sit around for a little bit. I want to do a really nice refurbish if you want to come check the side here. This bike is amazing. I love the decals. It's got a ZA50 and obviously those wheels, the gold 5-star mags. Those things are sexy. Next, this is just kind of one of my personals. We'll get this running today. Honestly, so from this way forward, we're going to pretty much try to get all these running here in this video. And you guys can see just how long it takes to get a moped running that's sat for a specific amount of time. This one went to a rally in Ohio. No, Richmond was the last time this one was running. We got a Sox Balboa. This is for sale. We have a Sox Sundancer. That's for sale. We have a Gorelli Eureka Flex. That is for sale. We have the best condition NC50 you're ever going to see. This is basically sold. This guy's going to Georgia. This right here, gorgeous NC50. This is like the most recent bike that I did. Really nice bike. It runs great. That's going to be listed for sale very soon. And then this guy here, this Pacer, unfortunately, this is the way I found it. And unfortunately for it, this is the way it will remain. We're going to put some flower baskets on it, put it in my wife's garden, just so she can be gardening and think of me. Next, we got this guy here. I've had this for years. This is probably the first NC50 I ever had, but I'm not in love with it. So this thing's going to be for sale here as well. This thing was amazing. This thing ran really well. Can't keep them all, and I don't want to keep them all. So let's get some money flowing. So if you guys are interested in this, any of those bikes, let me know down in the comments below. And then I got the 2 Honda Passports, also known as the Honda Cub. We'll see what we do with those. I got one title for them. They both run poorly, but they both run. This one in the front here is a deluxe model, and I think it's the one with the title. But either way, they are super cool. I'm getting my motorcycle license in like a week and a half from when this video goes live. Actually, maybe might be that weekend following this video. But yeah, so wish me luck. I've been riding for like 10 years. We have actually another bike down here that's going to be for sale very soon. Any of you guys that have seen me at the rally, you know I always bring my Puch Magnum. This thing's sick. I never ride it. Somebody else rides it because I usually give away all the good stuff to ride. And then we got this 70cc Honda NC50. This thing is okay. It's cool. It's for sale. So yeah, we'll get this running today too. I guess because I'm excited. Let's see if my sport bike will run, just so you guys can see. This thing turned 20 years old this year, so it's now officially a classic motorcycle. Just put a new battery in it the other day. No, it's not going to start for me, so that's super sad. Doesn't matter if it's got a new battery. So yeah, that's sad. Let's get some bikes running. This thing hasn't ran in at least 2 years. Take a guess how many times it'll take to start up, if it starts up. Yeah, I was thinking maybe we should have a max of like 8, because I don't even know if gas is gonna flow. I don't even know if it has gas in it. There's no gas in it. I know what's wrong with this one. It ain't got no gas in it. Probably leaked all over our floor. Yeah, we're huge leaking. It's huge leaking. Ugh. Ugh. All right, we'll try to start it like that. All right, you said 5 goes? It might stop leaking as we go. I mean, I'm not surprised. This thing's been sitting around for literally like 3 years. 2 years, 3 years, somewhere around there. All right, there's one. Ooh, I told you this is a good bike. This is a good bike. It leaks gas, but woohoo! All right, that's the first bike. Leaking pretty heavily. All right, this one probably ran like last week, probably earlier this week. How many tries? I'm thinking just one. Oh, come on. All right. It's a pretty nice bike. Like I said, this one's pretty much sold. Hopefully going to Georgia. How many tries do you think it's going to take? First try. Yeah, this one's pretty cool. Oh. I'll actually let gasket in it this time. How many tries? 3. Got the Gorelli. This thing's gonna fight me. This is my cheapest bike if anybody's interested. I don't even know if it has gas in it. Oh, barely. That's right, feed the carburetor. This one's weird. Now we don't have, these aren't necessarily Kickstarters, so go, what do you think? Oh, wow. I'm thinking like 2. I'm hoping it surprises me. Oh, she's alive. I mean, it's been like since like October. Yeah. I mean, she ain't got no gas in it. That's just what it is. All right, this one probably hasn't ran. Oh boy, probably October as well. Running into all kinds of different bikes now. I might have to watch a how to start video. Oh, chokes on the handlebar. Yeah, all right, there it is. All right, how many? Whoa, whoa, come on. I built this one. Built this one with pride. There she is. This thing's sexy. This is probably my favorite one. For sale. Could be yours. She ain't warmed up yet. Got the Balboa with the flat tire. All right, here we go. How many gases? This one's been probably the longest. Why did Socks make a back pedal brake? Dude. Oh, there it is. First try. Yeah. I'm gonna let this one warm up this time so I can ride off with my flat tire. No horn. Ooh. Hi, this is my baby. This one's probably like the first one that I went really viral on. How many tries? 4. Yeah, unfortunately, I think it's gonna be more than that. I know it wants to start. There it is, yeah. That's right, I was riding in the dark that rally, wasn't I? All right, I think this is gonna be our last one here. Y'all ready for this? Fun fact, I bought this bike for $300. It already had the 70cc kit on it. I did the black and I did all the custom stuff. It didn't run. Guy just lost interest in it. He painted the tank. It was literally a stock Magnum with a 70cc kit in a box. And then I eventually turned it into this. Let's get it. Yeah. So there we go, guys. I hope you guys liked the 2026 update before spring and summer. Yeah, what do you guys think? Most of these bikes are for sale. If you enjoyed this video, this is kind of a new style video that we just kind of freeballed. Just let me know if you guys like it, if you're interested in any of these bikes. And as always, guys, ride safe and enjoy your spring and summer. I got it.